Cardano value equivalent to 7.3854 rands a coin. The present cost range: 7.2447, 7.4568. The earlier day close: 7.2596. The change was plus 0.1258, plus 1.73%. Backwards rate: ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. N 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, December 11. Cost 8.14 rands, high 8.71, low 7.57. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 7.52 rands, high 8.05, low 6.99. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 7.72 rands, high 8.26, low 7.18. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, December 14. Cost 7.58 rands, high 8.11, low 7.05. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost 7.93 rands, high 8.49, low 7.37. In 3 weeks Cardano conjecture on Monday, December 18. Cost 7.98 rands, high 8.54, low 7.42. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 8.11 rands, high 8.68, low 7.54. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, December 20. Cost 7.90 rands, high 8.45, low 7.35. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, December 21. Cost 8.13 rands, high 8.70, low 7.56. Cardano conjecture on Friday, December 22. Cost 8.58 rands, high 9.18, low 7.98. In about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, December 25. Cost 8.52 rands, high 9.12, low 7.92. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, December 26. Cost 8.60 rands, high 9.20, low 8.00. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 8.86 rands. Excessive cost 8.86, while low cost 7.25. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.19. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.80, change for spring 12.0%. Cardano figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 7.80 rands. Excessive cost 8.49, while low cost 7.37. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.90. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.93, change for April 1.7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 7.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.62, while low cost 7.50. The found the middle value of cost 8.03. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 8.06, change for May 1.6%. Cardano conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 8.06 rands. Excessive cost 8.80, while low cost 7.64. The found the middle value of cost 8.18. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 8.22, change for June 2.0%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 8.22 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.98, while low cost 7.80. The found the middle value of cost 8.35. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 8.39, change for July 2.1%. Cardano gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at 8.39 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.91, while low cost 8.39. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.99. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 9.26, change for August 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 9.26 rands. Excessive cost 9.43, while low cost 8.19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.92. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8.81, change for September 4.9%. Cardano figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 8.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.94, while low cost 8.81. The found the middle value of cost 9.70. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 10.22, change for October 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 10.22 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.11, while low cost 9.65. Found the middle value of cost 10.34. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 10.38, change for November 1.6%. Cardano gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 10.38 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.29, while low cost 9.81. Found the middle value of cost 10.51. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 10.55, change for December 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 10.55 rands. Excessive cost 10.64, while low cost 9.24. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.09. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.94, change for January 5.8%. Cardano conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 9.94 rands. Excessive cost 11.01, while low cost 9.57. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.20. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 10.29, change for February 3.5%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2025. At the outset cost at 10.29 rands. Excessive cost 10.29, while low cost 8.52. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.57. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.16, change for spring 11.0%. Cardano conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 9.16 rands. Excessive cost 11.24, while low cost 9.16. Found the middle value of cost 10.02. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 10.50, change for April 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at 10.50 rands. Excessive cost 11.42, while low cost 9.92. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.63. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 10.67, change for May 1.6%. Cardano figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 10.67 rands. Excessive cost 11.60, while low cost 10.08. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.80. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 10.84, change for June 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 10.84 rands. Excessive cost 11.78, while low cost 10.24. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.